Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Splunk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Splunk, start by launching the Splunk application on your device. If you do not have Splunk installed, download the installer from the official Splunk website. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, open the Splunk application. You will be greeted by the Splunk login page. Enter the default username, which is typically admin. Next, input the default password, which is also changing. After logging in, you will land on the Splunk homepage. To add data, click on the Add Data button. You will see multiple options for data sources. You can choose to upload files, monitor directories, or connect to an API. Select the appropriate option based on where your data is located. If you opt to upload files, browse to the file location and select the desired files. For monitoring directories, specify the path of the directory containing the data files. If connecting to an API, enter the necessary endpoint URL and authentication parameters. After selecting your data source, click Next to configure the data settings. Choose the correct source type that matches your data format. You can optionally configure the index where your data will be stored. Once you've set up your data source and destination, click Review. Here, you can double-check your configurations before finalizing. Click on Submit to begin the data ingestion process. You will receive a confirmation indicating that your data has been added successfully. To visualize your data, navigate to the Search and Reporting app. In the search bar, start querying your ingested data. Utilize Splunk's search commands to refine your results. You can create dashboards by selecting the data visualizations you find most valuable. Remember to save your searches and dashboards for future reference. Explore the various features Splunk offers, such as alerts and reports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.